Hi friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Hello, are you Mr. Fernandez?
Yes, that's me. How can I help you?
I want to buy my first car.
Congratulations. What's your budget?
Around $70,000. I like Maserati.
We have a beautiful Maserati here.
Can you tell me about it?
It has automatic transmission and leather seats.
What colors are available?
We have black and white.
How much is the black one?
$75,000. It's the 2023 model.
That's expensive. Do you have a BMW?
Yes, BMW is cheaper, around $60,000.
What about Mercedes?
The price is similar to BMW. It's very comfortable.
Which one do you recommend?
For a first car, BMW is better.
Why?
It's easier to drive and maintain.
Does it have good safety features?
Yes, it has airbags and a parking camera.
How about the warranty?
BMW comes with a 4-year warranty.
And Maserati?
3-year warranty.
Can I test drive both?
Of course. Let's start with the BMW.
Is the BMW fuel efficient?
Yes, it has good mileage.
What is the mileage per liter?
Around 15 kilometers per liter.
That's nice. How many seats does it have?
It has 5 seats.
Is there a sunroof?
Yes, it has a panoramic sunroof.
Can I connect my phone to the car?
Yes, it supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
What colors are available for the BMW?
We have blue, white, and red.
I like the blue one. How much is it?
The blue one is $62,000.
Does it have a navigation system?
Yes, it has built-in GPS.
Is the Mercedes available for test drive today?
Yes, we can test it right after the BMW.
How is the Mercedes different from the BMW?
Mercedes focuses more on luxury and comfort.
Which one is faster?
The BMW has better acceleration.
What about the interior?
The Mercedes has a more premium interior.
Can I see the Mercedes in black?
Sure, let me show you.
Does it have heated seats?
Yes, both front seats are heated.
What is the fuel type for these cars?
They both use petrol.
Is there a hybrid option?
Yes, we have hybrid models too.
How much is a hybrid BMW?
It starts from $68,000.
What are the benefits of a hybrid car?
It saves fuel and is better for the environment.
How long does the battery last?
Around 8 years on average.
Can I charge it at home?
Yes, with a home charging station.
How long does it take to charge?
About 4 to 6 hours.
Is there a discount if I buy today?
Yes, we can offer a 5% discount.
What about insurance?
We can help you with insurance too.
How much is insurance for the BMW?
Around $200 per month.
And for the Mercedes?
It's similar, maybe $210.
Can I pay in installments?
Yes, we have financing options.
What is the interest rate?
It starts from 3% per year.
How long can the installment period be?
Up to 5 years.
Do I need a down payment?
Yes, at least 10%.
Can I get a free first service?
Yes, we include the first service for free.
What does the first service include?
Oil change, filter replacement, and general checkup.
How often should I service the car?
Every 10,000 kilometers or once a year.
Can I take the car for a long drive soon?
Yes, after the first service, it's ready.
What if I have a problem during the warranty?
You can visit any authorized service center.
Is roadside assistance included?
Yes, for the first 3 years.
How do I contact roadside assistance?
There's a dedicated number in the car manual.
Can I choose the color of the interior?
Yes, we have different options for you.
What interior colors are available for the BMW?
Black, beige, and brown.
I like the beige interior.
It looks more spacious and clean.
How long does it take to deliver the car?
About 1 week after the paperwork.
What documents do I need?
ID, proof of address, and driver's license.
Can you help me with the registration?
Yes, we will handle the registration for you.
Is there a waiting period for the blue BMW?
No, it's available right now.
Great. I think I'll go with the blue BMW.
Excellent choice. Let's start the paperwork.
Actually, can we take it for a test drive first? I'd like to see how it feels on the road.
Of course. That's a great idea. Let me get the keys. The blue BMW is right outside. You see how smooth the steering is? It responds very well.
Oh, yes, I love it. The seats are very comfortable, too.
And listen to this. The sound system is premium. Would you like to try it?
Maybe later. Can we try the parking camera? I want to see how it works.
Sure. Let me find a spot to park. There, you see? It shows the distance perfectly.
That's amazing. I feel very confident driving this.
So what was your final impression?
I'm completely convinced. I'll take it. Can we finalize the price?
Of course. With the 5% discount, it comes to $58,900 instead of $62,000. Does that work for you?
That's perfect. Let's do it.
Wonderful. If you'll just sign these documents here, the blue BMW is all yours.
Thank you so much for all your help.
The pleasure is mine. Congratulations on your first car.
A few days later.
I bought a car too. I wish you all would buy a car too. Goodbye.